well, I turned him on second. Because he was second place. Ah! Stop it. Going the wrong way. Don't go. Oh, the pink went the wrong way. That one's gonna win already. Oh, this one can't get up. Too bad. Wait, the purple is in the battle bridge. I'm gonna test him on the spiral. Hey, he's too fast. Hey. No! How fast? I wonder if he does go up. Just a second, let him go. I can't get to him when it's too small. Oh, he gets a kind. Oh, he slips. Here. Oh, that blue one. Oh, holy! All them fell out.